Make choice today with the 2017 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic roof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, rain-sensing wipers, FWD, tires, front all-season, tires, rear all-season. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.